In graphic design, converting between color models is often necessary to ensure colors display or print accurately across different media and devices. For example, a logo designed in RGB for a website may need to be converted to CMYK for use on printed merchandise. Here's why this is important. We need different color models for different outputs. RGB, red, green, blue, is used primarily for digital screens, computers, phones, TVs, etc., because screens emit light. RGB colors appear vibrant on screens but may not translate well to print. CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, is used for printing. Printers mix these inks to create colors, so files intended for print need to be in CMYK to avoid inaccurate color reproduction. Pantone or other spot color models are used in branding to maintain color consistency across various print media, such as packaging and signage, because Pantone colors are pre-mixed and standardized. Beyond RGB, CMYK, and Pantone, there are other color models, such as LAB, a color model that includes all colors perceivable by the human eye, ideal for adjusting brightness and color independently, and for ensuring consistent colors across different devices and media. The HEX color model is a 6-digit hexadecimal way to represent RGB colors for digital design, often used in web development. Each hex code, for example, FF5733, specifies color intensity for red, green, and blue, making it easy to display consistent colors across digital platforms. Color accuracy. When a design is created for digital use, RGB, but needs to be printed, CMYK, converting the color model ensures that colors are accurately reproduced in print. Since RGB and CMYK have different color gamuts, which means the range of colors they can represent, some colors visible on screen may not appear the same in print, necessitating adjustments during conversion. Device limitations. Not all devices display colors in the same way. A monitor and a printer will interpret colors differently. Converting to the appropriate color model minimizes unexpected variations. In summary, understanding when and how to convert between color models enables designers to create versatile and high-quality work that performs well in any intended context. Ensuring accurate color reproduction across different media, digital versus print, maintaining color consistency and brand integrity, meeting file format and industry standards, optimizing designs for various devices and output methods, adjusting for differences in color gamut and device capabilities.